Hi, this is Dr. Catherine Brown. I'm here to help you locate acupressure point lung 7. It's superior to the styloid process of the radius, 1.5 soon above the crease of the wrist. So you would go to the crease of the wrist and follow the radius bone up 1.5 soon, and a soon is a thumb's width, so 1.5 thumbs width, until you find a bit of a depression that's tender to the touch. In clinic, I actually use 2 point locations for lung 7, and the other one is 1.45 soon above the crease of the wrist, but you flip medially over the radius bone and find a tender dip. So I'll choose the point that is most tender for the patient. I instruct my patients to apply the metal element acu-stick containing pure essential oils that activate the point several times per day to lung 7. And while the point is great for any type of lung condition, I typically use it along with acupressure point kidney 6, which I instruct my patients to apply the water element to catch the breath if they're having trouble inhaling and catching their breath. This point combination works really well. In both cases, if my patients have time to apply actual pressure to the point, they use a clockwise motion with medium pressure and 1 minute per point bilaterally. Details on using this point are located at Ageless Herbs on the acupressure directions page, and it will include different ailments and point combinations and all the diseases that this point will treat. You will also find tons of information about how to use acupressure and Chinese medicine for specific health concerns, and you can deepen your knowledge about Chinese medicine at agelessherbs.com. Thanks for watching my video. Likes are much appreciated, and please subscribe to my channel. Be well.